Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hi, my name is NURUL Hanan, and for today, we will be looking at 5S awareness in our company. For today's presentation, there will be two subtopics. For the first one, it is about the 5S stages itself. And for the second subtopic, AFIQAH will deliver the contents on how to apply the 5S stages in our company. Before we go any further, I'd like to introduce our Safety and Health Committee. There are a total of 5 people in this group, and you can contact any of us here for any inquiries. Now, let us begin the first subtopic, which is about the 5S stages. A sneak peek before we proceed. 5S is an acronym for 5 Japanese words, which are translated in English as sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Now, let us look at the 5S stages. For the first stage, which is seiri or sort, it is to distinguish between necessary and unnecessary items. For number 2, it is seiton or set in order. It is to have a place and everything is in its place. For number 3, which is say so or shine, it is to clean up the workplace and look for ways to keep it clean. Now, let's look at number 4, which is seiketsu or standardize. It is to maintain and monitor adherence to the 5S sorts, to the first S's, which is sort, set in order, and shine. For the last stage, which is number 5, sustain or shitsuke, it is to follow the rule to keep the workplace 5S right and to keep the profit. That is all from me. For the second subtopic, I will pass it to AFIQAH. Thank you.
Hi, my name is AFIQAH, and I am one of your safety officers. Today I'll be educating you on how to apply 5S and why it's important in our workplace. Sort. With sort, you need to always make sure that all items in the area are sorted between those necessary and unnecessary ones. We need to also label and separate things properly. Ensure that all documents and filing in the office is updated based on current date. All old and outdated documents that no longer being used should be placed in different place or need to be disposed. Put tools and devices that frequently used near you, and all that rarely used item or machine should be placed at a distance from your workstation. By ensuring things are sorted in order, it will make it easier for you to reach something quick and done your job properly. Next is set in order. You can organize files and documents either based on their date, company, or alphabet. You should also label each area to make it easier for you to notice and to find it in a short time. Ensure that all furniture are arranged perfectly and comfortable for workers to go in and out from their workplace. Also, put all items or tools at the right place so it will make it easier for you to find it. Use safety symbol and instruction correctly at the right place. This will make your worker understand more and correct about each function of the items. By setting everything in order, it will help you to make less mistakes during work. It will also ensure a safe work environment for your worker. Number 3, which is shine. First, You need to appoint a person in charge for each section or department in the company for cleaning stuff. Always check any defect or problems in the machine, items, or furniture during the cleaning process and try to fix the problem. Provide a proper area to put all cleaning kit in your workplace. By ensuring this, as you will feel comfortable during work with clean environment, all the items in the workplace will have a longer lifespan as they have been maintained in a proper time. Also, this will avoid any unwanted accident from occurring. Number 4. Standardize. Maintain and monitor the first three categories properly, which is sort, set in order, and shine. As an employer, you should have a checklist for cleaning and maintenance that complete and organized. Also, you need to check that all the standard and necessary info in the office or the workplace are known and visible for your employee. By following everything in the proper right standard, it simplifies your work. You will avoid making mistakes as you already make a checklist. You also will have a consistency in your work practice. Which is sustain. First thing first, as a manager or employer of the company, you should always create an awareness about 5S to your employee so that they will always be reminded and concerned about how the importance of 5S in the company. You also need to generate and finalize the guidelines for 5S implementation audit properly so that your worker will understand about how the procedure works. Provide management support to the staff so it will encourage them to do everything in the right way and in the proper time. Reward and recognize the best performer among staff. This will boost up their spirit and they will try to done all their job in the best performance. Having all these points to encourage workers to be more disciplined and responsible in their work. It also build a fresh and healthy work environment among the employees. It also helps you to build a good teamwork among each other as everyone are being supported. You can see a lot of improvement to be made next time when you give a big concern to your employee. I hope that everyone have clear about what is 5S and how to implement it in our office, in our environment. I hope by this awareness, it will boost up our spirit and try our best to improve our company performance. If you have any question or unclear part, don't hesitate to ask us as we, your safety and health community, are willingly to help you. With that, thank you and you are awesome.